to our channel, where we explore the world of digital art and AI creations. Today, we have something really exciting in store for you. We're going to learn how to convert an image into a stunning 3D animation using the free LeiaPix Converter. So, let us dive in and have some fun. Before we get started, let us quickly talk about LeiaPix Converter. It's an amazing online tool that harnesses the power of artificial intelligence to transform your static images into dynamic 3D animations. And the best part, it's completely free to use. So, let us jump right in and create some AI art. Now to convert image into video. First of all, open LeiaPix AI Converter. Then sign in your account. Here, sign with email or your Google account. Then accept privacy and terms. Now click on Upload to upload your image. It takes a couple of minutes to upload. Here we can see 3D effect will automatically apply in our image. From here we can edit this animation. We can choose animation length. Even we can also choose style of animation. We can move in horizontal, in wide circle, etc. Try different options to see what looks best for your image to video AI art. Then select the amount of motion. Then you can also choose focus point. This will affect how the animation moves around your image. And there are many more things you can edit and create beautiful animation video from image. We can also choose which part of the image we want to animate or which part we want to keep still. For this, choose this depth map icon. And choose the part which you want to keep still. Like this. And then when you are done with it, click on Share to download. And download this in MP4. And then click on Save. Now let us try the Wonder one. And here are S results. LeiaPix Convert turn any image into beautiful animation video within just couple of minutes. So this is how you can turn any image into video. Don't forget to share, like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.